Hello, my name is Naufal Beraish and I am presenting you my project Smart GeoScheduler. Today students are using more and more their smartphones and are less organized than before. The field study conducted showed that there is a need for a tool that helps them keep their schedule up to date. But we want also to use this smartphone dependency to optimize their efficiency. How would we do this? This is the main functionalities proposed by our application. The first one and the main one is the timetable management, which is a simple scheduler. It helps manage the week's course planning. Another functionality is a visual checklist that can help, for example, a student that is having a course at 8 a.m. and who woke up late to prepare his school bag at 7:25 a.m. rapidly based on the pictures of the book he needs to put in his bag. Another functionality is a timetable-based alarm, which can propose to the students to parameterize the frequency of the snoozing alarm based on the deadlines fixed in his timetable. So the frequency gets high as the deadline approaches, and he can parameterize the snooze from minutes to years. A random course or exam preparation proposition. This is a functionality that makes some calculus based on the history of preparation to the exam for proposing randomly to the user who wants it which course he can begin preparation with. It can be useful for the long period of preparation for a large number of courses, which can have the same deadline. A schedule with geolocalization that can help students, for example, do something that they usually do once they are at home or once they are at school. For example, check the new timetable once they are at school, or to prepare their bag once they are at home. It can help them prepare also for what they can do at their free time if they have a free hour. An interdependent reminder is simply a list of tasks that can be dependent to another task which have an alarm fixed. So for example, if I have an exam next week, if I need to prepare for it 3 days before the date of the exam, if the exam changed the date to the week after, I don't need to reparameterize the alarm for preparation. It gets up to date once I change the date of the exam. Thank you very much.